Number plowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse when now at Exodus chapter 36 and verse 20 up to verse 34. Acacia wood was used to build the framework for the walls of the sacred tent. For each frame was 4 meters high and 66 centimeters wide, with 2 wooden pegs near the bottoms. Then 2 silver stands were placed under each frame with sockets for the pegs, so they could be joined together. 20 of these frames were used along the south sides and 20 more along the north. 6 frames were used for the back wall along the west side, with 2 more at the southwest and northwest corners. These corners frame were joined from top to bottom. Altogether, along the back wall there were 8 frames with 2 silver stands under each of them. 5 crossbars were made for each of the wooden frames, with the center crossbar running the full length of the wall. The frames and crossbar were covered with gold, and gold rings were attached to the frames to run the crossbars through. So in this passage, it is the ongoing construction of the tent of the tabernacle. But we see the materials that were used and together with the measurement. See, that's how accurate God is. When He give a command, it is always accurate and specific. But let us also realize that behind those materials were also workers assigned to do the task, and they were trained, right? So in short, if you want also God to use you, you need also to be trained. Because after all, without training, how can you work efficiently? How? It is through training that we can work efficiently. Even in ministry, prior to sending of workers or ministers to other place for them to minister, for them to have an area of ministry, they need first training. Okay? So, if you want God to use you, then you must be ready for the training period. Okay? Without training, you can't be sent. You can't be a worker without a training, or else you will be a hindrance to the work because you are not yet trained. You don't know how to handle a lot of things. So that's why you need to be trained first. Okay? Lesson learned, be willing to be trained.